Hi you guys, Tracy here. I just got this storage cabinet that I just assembled. It was super easy, so let me show you how it went. This is our front entryway. We have some art up here and it's just kind of bland. It's a big empty wall besides the art. And so I wanted a storage cabinet that not only we could put stuff in, but we could set like our keys and sunglasses and stuff on. And this is just the perfect size. It's the perfect design. The front is this fluted wood, which is so pretty. It just has such a subtle detail to it. The handles right here are magnetic, which is really nice. And there is a delay shut hinge, which also is nice because you can't slam the doors. So when you do shut it, there is a magnet right here that actually keeps the doors shut, and then just one shelf in here. The instructions were super clear. There's no words, but it's all images, and they were really, really clear and easy to understand. And it was super easy to put together. It probably took me 30 minutes, and that was with just hand tools, no power tools. So I highly recommend checking this out. They do have other colors too, but I'm just really impressed by the quality and the design. So check it out. See ya.